As the South African national rugby union team look ahead to life beyond Siya Kolisi, the question of who will inherit one of the rugby's most demanding captaincies is beginning to surface with increasing urgency. Veteran prop Stephen Kirchhoff has weighed in on the debate, offering a measured but intriguing prediction. With Kolisi expected to be 36 by the time the 2027 Rugby World Cup kicks off in Australia, likely marking his final appearance in green and gold, the search for a long-term successor is gaining momentum. Kolisi, who first took over the captaincy under Rassie Erasmus in 2018, has since become one of the most influential figures in Springbok history. Not only did he lead South Africa's World Cup glory, but he also reached the milestone of 100 Test caps, an extraordinary achievement for a loose forward. As he heads into the 2026 season with 71 matches as captain, he is closing in on John Smith's record of 83 Tests in charge. Over the years, several players have stepped into the leadership roles when needed, among them Eben Isbeth, Peter Steve du Toit, Jesse Kriel, and Bongimbo Nambi. However, most are either approaching the twilight of their careers or are not seen as long-term options heading toward the 2031 Rugby World Cup. Kirchhoff admits there's no obvious heir apparent and said sometimes leadership qualities are identified early, referencing Kolisi's rise through the ranks after captaining the Stormers. But right now, it's difficult to pinpoint a clear successor. While Jesse Kriel has impressed as a stand-in leader, Kirchhoff stopped short of backing him as the long-term solution. Instead, when pressed for name, he pointed to Ron Noki and said if I had to choose, I'd go with Noki. He's been exceptional for the Bulls and has shown strong leadership qualities.